the deal, y'all? This your boy MOTORCITY NIQUE, man, and I'm checking back with another video. Damn, my bad, shaking a little bit, but your boy back with another video, man. So this is gonna be a part 3 kind of update on my Caprice over there. Everything running good with it, man. Did the repairs, did some switches, hooked it up, got it back going. So now it's an update, man. I'm gonna give you an update on that, but right now I'm currently in the Impala, you know, about that SS life. So I'm here in the Imp, and about to just toss me in the radio, man. I'm about to switch the game up with a little bit, man. I got sound speakers. I got a lot of stuff that I'm upgrading, that I'm getting my Impala ready for, because the complete makeover is really about to happen. You know what I'm saying? The weather is starting to break. I could get out here and I could kind of do, you know, a lot of tidbits and stuff that I'm working on. So I'm definitely about to get to it, you know, and you know, gonna show you, take you a little along the process of some of the little things and changes that I'm making. So right now, I'm about to take that radio out. I'm about to upgrade it with that one. That's a, you know, flip down radio. Something pretty decent for now, you know what I'm saying? Change it up a lot better. Give me a lot more features than what I got with my, you know, traditional Pioneer radio. So, you know, about to switch it out and go ahead and upgrade with something different. That right there, if you can see, right there, that's my climate control. So I'm about to take that out and put another climate control in here, because I'm already gonna be in there, so shit, why not go ahead and switch it out and put my new one in there? So I'm about to go ahead and get busy, you know, and I'll show y'all the process. All right, y'all, for those that ain't never did a radio, man, you can always just, you know what I'm saying, snatch that mug out and do it this way, you know. That's the easiest way for a lot of people. But if you want to do it the right way and a more convenient way where it ain't, you know, a headache and a hassle, you know what I'm saying, you're just gonna have to bust the dashboard down. So, you know, pop that screw out, pop that screw out, them two right there. Take your ashtray out. Then once you do that, once you get your ashtray out, then, you know what I'm saying, you pop this cover off, that little shroud cover. Then you should be able to kind of unhinge that. And then on the side, pull that screw out. So I'm gonna show y'all when I get to it, but you know, I'm trying to make it easier, because I also got to do this as well. So I ain't gonna be sitting there trying to fandangle and do all that. I'm gonna just go ahead and pull it out and, you know, make it easier on myself. So I'm gonna show y'all once I get them bolts and stuff taken out. All right, y'all, see, your boy back, you know, updating you. You know, I gotta show y'all the process. So you can see right here, I got everything out, then pulled it off the clamps, the hinges. You know what I'm saying? I popped everything down. Them screws at the bottom, just remember, man, make sure you get all them bottom screws down there. That's what's gonna let your dash down, and it's gonna get it out. So as you can see right here, got nothing but full access to do what I gotta do. So like I said, man, I'm gonna take this one out, because this one is only working on low and high. So I'm thinking it's, you know, something faulty with that one. So I'm about to replace it with that one. And then, like I told y'all before, I'm about to go ahead and put my radio in. Shit, that way I can update and get something new in this mug. So I'm gonna go ahead and check back with y'all once I get that done. All right, y'all, your boy back again, you know, hitting y'all with the update. I got this out. So this is my old one. This is my old climate control right here. You got to make sure you just delicately, you know what I'm saying, unbutton everything and get everything pulled out. So once you get to replacing things, you ain't got to worry about no stuff being cracked or damaged or anything. So this is the new one that I'm about to throw in there. So, I mean, all fingers crossed, I think everything is functional with it. I pray everything is right. So, you know, I at least could get, you know, low, medium, and high going. So I'm about to put it back in, button everything back down, and I'll show you once I get it in there. Of course, you know, I got the radio out, so shit, I'm about to go ahead and do my wiring work and wire it up, and I'll show you when I get done, or close to getting done. What up, though? What up, though? Your boy back, man. I know this video might seem like it's a little bit out of place, but for the most part, man, I had to kind of separate it into a couple days, man. I had got caught up in behind with some other stuff, but long story short, man, I got everything installed in there. Everything's sitting in, it's feeling good. I mean, fitting good, not feeling good, fitting good, sitting good. Everything's mounted in, lined up and playing. I ain't trying to get no copyright, but you know, you can hear it, you know what I'm saying? Everything is playing good, sounding good. I got a couple other little modifications to my audio system that I gotta do. But don't mind the blower, man. I had to turn that stuff down and stuff. But I'm gonna show y'all, you know, what it looked like and how it's sitting in there. All right, see, there we go. It's all in there. It's all installed. It's sitting in. Everything's good. I got my climate control in there. That's it, sitting there good. I don't know. I think my blower might be messing up because it still has the same function that it did before. In the past, when it only goes on high and low. So it's probably my blower, man. I probably got to switch the blower out and change it. But this is my, you know, my radio, my flip out. Everything is nice and installed, sitting in there good, fits good. Brackets is all mounted in there. I got my subs playing and my sounds going, so I'm gonna turn that down because I don't want no copyright issues with anything. But you know, that's what it looked like. Got me a single DIN flip out radio. You know, some temporary for now. Of course, you know, I'm always making upgrades and changes and stuff. So I'm gonna install my speakers. I got a whole set of Pioneer speakers that I'm about to put in. I got my 2 fronts I'm putting in, and I'm also gonna do my 6x9s back there. So I gotta hook up my amplifiers and all that to it. But you know, main thing of what I was here for with the video was to show y'all, you know, this installation and process with this. I'm also gonna jump into my Caprice and show y'all, you know, the Caprice. But there it goes. Everything is in. It's functional. Let me see if I could go to. I got a USB outlet hooked up in here, so I'm gonna go to my settings. Let me see if I'm gonna try to see if I can find my USB port. There it goes. Oh, my bad. I had the Bluetooth hooked up, so. I don't know, I'm trying to mess with my USB settings. Still gotta play with it, man. There's a lot of stuff I gotta figure out and things and change. But for the most part, like I said, everything is good with this one. It's fully installed, dash back down, button back down and stuff. You know, everything lined up. I got another dashboard I'm about to put in here, so I'm gonna fabricate that one and I'm gonna rewrap it and do it and take this old one out. So I'm gonna hook this one up. It's gonna look different and things, but you know, got a lot of stuff on the go. Just slowly but surely trying to do my thing, man. Get the Impala together, you know. So it'll be ready for the summer, man. 2021. I'm about to hop in that Caprice, man. I'm gonna show you. I got the Caprice together too, so I'm about to hop in that one. All right, y'all, your boy back, man. I know I got to show y'all the Caprice still, man, but I just wanted to get y'all a little snippet of some of the features, man. I was able to kind of sit here and play with the radio a little bit to kind of get some of the functions to pop up, you know what I'm saying, to show some of the things that I'm trying to show. So, you know, I'm a Detroit representative, so, man, I'm about to show y'all, you know, some of the videos and the video feature of stuff that I'm able to pull off my SD card. All right, y'all, your boy back, man. I ain't trying to get no copyright issues, so, you know, I ain't gonna play the volume or anything, but able to tamper with some of the features. So, you know, I'm able to, I got tons of music loaded on my SD card, my USB port, I mean. So this one, I had this USB port for a couple years, man, to be honest with you. So a lot of the music that I'm probably showing is super fucking old. But this is just one of the videos. You know, gotta represent my dog Sada Baby out here. That's one of the videos. The list goes on, man. I got a ton of stuff. Shoot, I even got movies on here. Let me see what I can find on here. Man, the playlist is crazy. Shoot, I'll show. It's not too old, but y'all probably seen this one. But yeah. Just got the video features on. So you can see I could put it in. I could put it in drive and I could actually drive. You know what I'm saying? Some people have the jailbreak theirs. You know what I mean? I already did the jailbreak wire, so I don't have to worry about it. But you know, see, y'all can see I'm moving. But I wanted to show that feature, you know what I'm saying? I can have the music playing while I'm driving and stuff, so I just wanted to show y'all that feature. But on to the Caprice, man. I'm about to go ahead and hop out this mug and jump into the good old Caprice, baby. But yeah, I had to get that in, man. I wanted to, that's what I was trying to tamper with to try to, you know, show y'all this feature. So I'm about to hop into the Caprice. Ooh, jump into that good old Chevy Caprice action. Whew. Sick my damn cluster don't work, man. I'm sick about that. That's the thing I'm sick about, man. My cluster ain't working. Make me wanna tap, 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 but got a double D in the Caprice though, so y'all see what it is. Good Pioneer double D. I'm gonna show y'all my engine brake. Oh shit! Yeah. Make sure my hood. Now you gotta do that old school. Gotta do that Chevy tap. This is pretty much an update on all the stuff I replaced. I replaced the water pump, good new radiator, all that's in there. Got it buttoned down on the sides with the brass fitting. I got the fitting on each side, top and bottom. No drips, no leaks, no nothing. And my delete. Everything is on the pop, man. Nice, good, smooth item. Everything running good, running smooth. So, and just an update of my Caprice and stuff. Everything good and buttoned down with this joint. So, get out this wind because it's windy out here. All right, y'all, man. I appreciate y'all for sticking around for this journey, man. Giving y'all little updates on my builds and stuff, man. Like I said, the weather in the city, I'm in the Midwest, man. The weather in Detroit, man, is looking pretty promising for the most part. It's starting to break just enough to give me time, you know what I'm saying, to get outside without freezing my ass off, you know, to work on my cards and work on my builds. So this is a couple of the updated builds that, not updated builds. These are a couple of the updated, you know, mods that I was doing to my my Impala. Of course, you know, maintenance on my Caprice. So, you know, I want my vehicles to, you know, maintain, treat me pretty good and keep rolling. So that's, you know, some of the things that I was doing, and also showing, you know, different changes I'm making to the Impala. So hopefully I can get it, you know, all said and done and, you know what I'm saying, ready for the summer. So, you know, if y'all was able to stick through this video, first time checking your boy out, don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe, man. Definitely hit that subscribe and that notification bell too, so you know you stay up to date with all my, you know, updates, mods, and you know everything I got going on, and join that Motor City crew, man. You know, just trying to show y'all some built not bought, hard work, hands-on type stuff, you know. So I ain't the first to do it, but you know, I'm one of many just showing my unique style of how I do it, you know. So I appreciate y'all for, you know, for checking in with your boy. Till next time, I'll holler at y'all, man. Peace.